Hey, it's Mike Osborne here at Zoomtopia. I am the head of ITSP sales for North America for Grandstream, actually, and we are a Zoom certified partner. We do have a few devices here that's showcasing for the show. First, we'll start with our most popular phone that we do have, our desk phone, which is our GRP2670. Comes with the Zoom integration, full LED screen, of course, color, touchscreen as well. So with this phone, in particular, have the opportunity to be able to use the physical headset. Obviously, it does come with the interchangeable wallpapers as well. As you can see, we have the Zoomtopia name put across there. So if you're in a particular business, you have the opportunity, of course, to showcase that as well. Again, one of our most popular lines that we do have, so we're extremely excited. This particular model actually just released fairly recently, so it's doing well so far, and again, we're happy about it. If you want to learn more about this particular model, please go to www.grandstream.com. You'll be able to read all the specs about it, so please definitely check us out.